Tired of dealing with eyeliner smudging halfway through the day? In this video, we'll be reviewing the best smudge-proof eyeliners of this year, designed to stay put no matter what life throws at you. From long-lasting formulas to smooth application, we've got you covered with the top 5 eyeliners that deliver a bold, defined look without the worry of smudging or fading. Stick around as we dive into these amazing products and find the perfect eyeliner for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Stila Stay All Day. The Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner has become a cult favorite for a reason. Known for its highly pigmented formula and precise application, this eyeliner promises to stay put for hours without smudging, even in the most humid or watery conditions. Perfect for those who want a bold, defined look that lasts all day, Stila Stay All Day eyeliner is designed to meet the needs of anyone looking for a reliable, long-lasting liquid eyeliner. Key features: Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner features a fine, felt-tip pen that provides precise application with every stroke. The formula is waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring that it won't budge even in challenging conditions. It's available in several stunning shades, ranging from classic black to rich browns and vibrant colors, allowing for versatile eye looks. The formula is also infused with soothing ingredients like chamomile and aloe vera to protect the delicate skin around the eyes. Benefits and usage: this eyeliner is perfect for those who want a bold, precise line that won't smudge or fade. Its waterproof formula ensures that it holds up through long days, even through sweat or humidity. The fine tip allows for easy application, whether you prefer a subtle line or a dramatic wing. The lightweight formula glides on effortlessly and dries quickly, preventing any transfer or smudging. Usability: Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its felt tip applicator that provides full control. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced makeup artist, the applicator makes it easy to create clean, precise lines. The formula dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about smudging or waiting around for it to set. Plus, the sleek packaging is perfect for carrying in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: the Stay All Day eyeliner lives up to its name, staying put for up to 12 hours without fading or smudging. Whether you're out in the heat, dealing with tears, or just going about your regular day, this eyeliner holds up exceptionally well. It's also resistant to transfer, ensuring that your liner stays crisp and defined without smearing or running. It's a reliable option for anyone looking for a no-fuss eyeliner that will last all day long. In the second spot, we have Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On. Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is a game-changer in the world of smudge-proof eyeliners. Known for its creamy texture and vibrant colors, this pencil offers a smooth application while delivering long-lasting, smudge-proof results. Whether you're looking for a bold line or a smudged-out smoky look, the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil can handle it all, staying put throughout the day without budging. Key features: the 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba oil and vitamin E, providing a smooth, creamy texture that glides on effortlessly. It's available in a wide range of shades, from classic blacks and browns to bold jewel tones, offering endless possibilities for every eye look. The eyeliner is waterproof, smudge-proof, and resistant to fading, ensuring that it will stay in place all day, no matter what. Benefits and usage: this eyeliner is ideal for anyone looking for a smooth, creamy pencil that won't smudge or fade. Its rich pigmentation delivers intense color payoff with just one stroke, while the formula is gentle on the delicate skin around the eyes. The pencil can be used for a sharp, defined line or blended out for a more smoky, smudged effect. It's also great for sensitive eyes, thanks to its moisturizing ingredients that keep the eye area comfortable throughout wear. Usability: the 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is incredibly easy to use, with its smooth texture that glides on without tugging or pulling. The pencil format allows for precise application, but it can also be smudged out for a softer look. The built-in sharpener ensures that you always have a precise tip, making it perfect for creating both defined lines and softer, more blended looks. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around for quick touch-ups. Durability: Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is known for its long-lasting formula. Once applied, it stays in place without smudging or fading for up to 12 hours. It's perfect for those who need an eyeliner that will withstand sweat, tears, or a busy day. While it's not entirely transfer-proof, the formula is highly resistant to smudging and will stay vibrant throughout the day. If you're looking for a creamy pencil that stays put, this is a great option. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Eye Studio. Maybelline's Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner is a favorite among drugstore options for its rich pigmentation and smudge-proof formula. Offering the precision of a pencil and the boldness of a liquid, this gel eyeliner provides an intense, long-lasting line that stays put from morning till night. It's perfect for those who want the look of liquid eyeliner with the ease of a gel. Key features: this gel eyeliner is designed to deliver intense color with a smooth, gel-based formula that glides on effortlessly. It comes in a sleek pot with a brush applicator for precise application. The formula is highly pigmented and provides a bold, defined line without smudging. It's also smudge-proof and waterproof, ensuring that your eyeliner stays in place, even in hot or humid conditions. Benefits and usage: the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner offers a bold, defined line that won't budge. Its creamy texture makes it easy to apply, whether you prefer a sharp line or a softer, smudged look. The eyeliner is ideal for creating dramatic winged eyeliner or a subtle cat eye. Its waterproof formula makes it perfect for all-day wear, and it stays intact even in challenging weather conditions. Usability: the gel formula allows for easy application, and the brush applicator gives you full control over your line. You can create a defined look with a single stroke or blend it out for a more smoky, dramatic effect. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry around for touch-ups. However, it's important to make sure the cap is tightly closed to prevent the gel from drying out. Durability: the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner is long-lasting, providing up to 24 hours of smudge-proof, waterproof wear. Once applied, the eyeliner stays put without fading or transferring. It's perfect for those who need their eyeliner to withstand a busy day or a long night. However, it can be a bit challenging to remove at the end of the day, so make sure to use a gentle eye makeup remover. Taking our 4th spot is Tarte Tarteist. The Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner offers the best of both worlds, with a dual-ended design that includes both a pencil liner and a liquid liner. This eyeliner is designed to deliver a smudge-proof, long-lasting finish, with the option for a bold, defined line or a softer, more blended look. It's perfect for those who want versatility and all-day wear in one sleek package. Key features: the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner features a liquid eyeliner on one end and a pencil eyeliner on the other, both formulated for long-lasting, smudge-proof wear. The liquid liner has a fine-tip applicator for precise application, while the pencil offers a creamy texture for easy blending. Both formulas are waterproof, ensuring they stay put all day long without smudging or fading. They're also infused with conditioning ingredients like vitamin E to protect the delicate skin around the eyes. Benefits and usage: this eyeliner provides a flexible, 2-in-1 option for creating a variety of looks. The pencil is great for defining the waterline or creating a softer line, while the liquid liner is perfect for dramatic, defined looks. Both formulas are buildable, allowing you to customize your look depending on the occasion. The waterproof formula ensures that your eyeliner stays in place, even through sweat, tears, or humidity. Usability: the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner is easy to use, with each end offering a different option for application. The pencil glides on smoothly without tugging or pulling, while the liquid liner provides precise control for a sharp line. Whether you prefer a subtle look or a bold, dramatic wing, this eyeliner has you covered. The compact design makes it convenient for travel, allowing you to have 2 types of eyeliners in one product. Durability: the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner is long-lasting, with both the pencil and liquid formulas staying in place for up to 12 hours. They are resistant to smudging, fading, and transfer, making it an excellent choice for all-day wear. The waterproof formula ensures that your eyeliner won't budge, even in humid or wet conditions. However, like most waterproof eyeliners, it may require an oil-based remover for thorough removal. And finally, at number 5, we have an NARS larger than life. NARS's larger than life longwear eyeliner is a highly pigmented, creamy eyeliner designed for maximum longevity and smudge-proof performance. With its smooth application and rich color payoff, this eyeliner is perfect for creating bold, defined lines that stay in place all day. It's an excellent option for those who need an eyeliner that can keep up with a busy lifestyle. Key features: the larger-than-life longwear eyeliner is available in several vibrant shades and features a creamy, glide-on formula. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, and resistant to fading, ensuring that it stays put throughout the day. The eyeliner is designed to provide intense color with minimal effort, and its twist-up design eliminates the need for sharpening, making it a convenient and user-friendly option. Benefits and usage: this eyeliner offers smooth, bold color that lasts all day without smudging or fading. Its creamy texture makes it easy to apply, and it can be used to create both defined lines or a more smudged, smoky look. The eyeliner is perfect for anyone who needs a long-lasting option for everyday wear or for more dramatic evening looks. It's also great for sensitive eyes, as it doesn't irritate or cause discomfort. Usability: the NARS larger-than-life eyeliner glides on smoothly and evenly, providing full control over the application. The twist-up design is easy to use and eliminates the need for sharpening. It's perfect for creating a precise line or smudging out for a softer, more dramatic effect. The sleek packaging makes it portable and easy to carry for quick touch-ups. Durability: the larger-than-life longwear eyeliner is known for its impressive longevity, providing up to 12 hours of smudge-proof, waterproof wear. It's resistant to transfer, fading, and smudging, even in hot or humid conditions. While it's not completely transfer-proof, it holds up W. And that's a wrap on our review of the best smudge-proof eyeliners for this year. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect eyeliner that stays put all day long without any worries. Whether you prefer a pencil, gel, or liquid formula, these top picks have got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Stay stunning, and we'll see you in the next one.